Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Guess where we're going today? My shirt's a clue. No, not Alaska. We are going to Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. We can't wait. We've been exploring Michigan along the west side, doing as much along the shore as we can, along Lake Michigan. We've been checking out lighthouses and lots of dunes. We've been having a blast, and the dunes have been getting bigger and bigger as we've been making our way north. Today, I think they're going to be even bigger with some great views of Lake Michigan. We hope you join us for some fun. We're Steve and Audra, and we travel full-time in our self-converted Ford Transit camper van with our cat, Lady Gray, in search of beauty and fun things to explore, while trying to do so without breaking the bank. Before making our way to Sleeping Bear Dunes, we have one stop to make. We're going to check out a lighthouse here in Ludington. So there it is, the Breakwater light. This is the first time I think we've been along the shore where it has not been windy, but now I also notice a lot more bugs, so I'm going to guess there's a correlation. But it's really nice to be out here this morning with it more peaceful. And while we're here at the lighthouse, we can have breakfast with a great, but also very buggy view. There are bugs everywhere here. So I just spotted a bald eagle as we were driving up here. So we're going to turn around and go back and see if we can get a better look. So there's an eagle. Look at that. That is so cool. So how cool was that?
Very cool.
We made a last minute decision to try to explore the Ludington State Park a little bit. But we got up here and a lot of the roads closed and we realized we can't get up into the main part of the park. So we drove a little bit up in there and we got the treat of seeing an eagle. So now we're heading back and we're making our way to Sleeping Bear Dunes. Well, we're almost to Sleeping Bear Dunes. Steve, what are you most looking forward to?
I'm hoping one of these bears wakes up and I can pet him.
All right, here we are. This is the Empire Bluff Trail. It's 1.5 miles round trip. At the end is an overlook that's 400 feet above Lake Michigan.
Little known fact, I majored in gymnastics in high school.
Whoa. Now that's a view.
Good a time as any to let you know that I'm rooting for you.
Get it?
Oh, look, somebody wrote Steve and Audra in the dirt.
There are really pretty trillium blooming right now, some violets and jack-in-the-pulpits, and I found a really pretty jack-in-the-pulpit here.
That one's actually pulpiting.
The Empire Bluff Trail is one of the park's most popular and rewarding hikes. This trail winds gently uphill through a beech-maple forest before opening up to a stunning overlook high above Lake Michigan. Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore is famous for its dramatic dune climbs, some rising over 400 feet above the lake, and its panoramic views. Visitors can hike miles of peaceful trails, paddle along the shoreline, or explore charming historic sites.
What a beautiful spot.
It's a great view, and the water is so blue. So cool seeing these dunes. It's amazing. Hi.
See the ID as well for the
Oh,
castle.
okay.
Have you been here before?
No.
Alrighty. So, alright, there's that. There's
All right,
these.
awesome.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right.
Enjoy your visit.
Thanks.
After entering the park, we decided to do the Pierce Stocking Scenic Drive, a 7.4-mile one-way loop through some of the park's most stunning landscapes. It winds through dense forests, over rolling dunes, and past several scenic overlooks. Stop number 3 on the drive is the Dune Overlook, with 360-degree vistas of dunes, Lake Michigan, the Manitou Islands, Pyramid Point, and farmland below. Stops number 9 and number 10 are combined and include the iconic Lake Michigan Overlook, where visitors can gaze down a dramatic 450-foot drop to the shoreline below, and Sleeping Bear Dune Overlook, where you can view the dune that inspired the park's name. Make sure you don't go down the dune here if you're not sure you can make it back up. A hefty fine would be involved. Wow, is it blue? It's so blue out there.
Well, this is simply amazing.
Gorgeous. Well, this is the last overlook on the scenic drive. One last view of some dunes and water. Oh, know, you guys. Steve got hungry and he's having a snack. It's one of his favorites. Carrots. How's that carrot?
Pretty good.
Sounds that way. That's pretty.
All right, well, the last stop here at Sleeping Bear Dunes is the beach.
After leaving Sleeping Bear Dunes on our way to our next destination, we found a nice spot with a lake view to spend a couple hours.
Hey, Bobby.
We left Sleeping Bear Dunes area and headed to Traverse City, and then we headed north for a little bit on Bayshore Drive along the bay here, and decided to stop because as we were coming out of Traverse City, the traffic was backed up for a very long time, so we thought we would stay up this way, take advantage of being by the lake, make some dinner, and hang out for a little bit.
Dinner is served.
Thank you. Here's the current situation in the van. Steve is editing. Lady Gray is chilling out. And here's the view. And I'm just chilling here, doing stuff on my phone. Well, we're home for the night. Good old Cracker Barrel. Our Lady Gray is quite the scaredy cat, so this Cracker Barrel is actually perfect for her. It's super quiet, so she's brave enough to go out tonight. You ready? All right, ready to go up? As we've been driving up the coast, the shore, we are heading to Sleeping Bear Dunes National Seashore. Is that what it is, National Seashore? We had a stop to make. We want to check out a lighthouse here in Ludington, Michigan. I shouldn't say Michigan. And while we're here at this park, we're going to end up at an overlook that is 500 feet. No, it's 400 feet. It's 1.5 miles round trip. At the end is an overlook that's 400. I was waiting for the Michigan walk. Dang it.
Right? So I'm pretty sure that that's the dune that if you get stuck on and you need rescued, it's like $3,000 to get. I'm going to try that again.
What are you doing, huh? You like Sleeping Bear Dunes? Huh? If you enjoy our videos, please consider becoming a patron by using the link on the screen that we've also included in the video description, along with information about today's adventure and our channel. A special thank you to all our patrons. We appreciate your ongoing support. Thanks for coming along with us on this van life adventure. Please take a second to hit the like button below, leave a comment to let us know you're watching, and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget, you can also connect with us and see my photos of the places we visit on our Facebook and Instagram. See you next time for more adventure.